Once upon a time, in a bright and buzzing digital world painted in black and yellow, two curious friends named Koko and Dodo set out on an adventure. Koko, with a spark of excitement in his eyes, loved exploring new things. Dodo, always cautious but eager to learn, followed closely behind. One sunny morning, they stumbled upon a mysterious door with glowing letters. "Welcome to the world of DeFi." Koko's eyes widened. "DeFi? What's that?" he wondered aloud. Dodo, flipping through his little notebook, shrugged. "Let's find out together." With a giggle, they pushed open the door and tumbled into a land filled with floating coins, dancing charts, and friendly robots waving hello. Their first stop was a magical whiteboard, where a wise owl named Professor Satoshi explained, "DeFi means decentralized finance. It's a new way to use money, powered by technology, not banks." Koko and Dodo watched as the owl drew pictures of people sending coins to each other, all without a bank in sight. "Wow," Koko cheered, "so anyone can join in?" "Exactly," hooted Professor Satoshi. "But remember, the DeFi world is full of wonders and surprises. You need to be smart and safe." Dodo nodded, scribbling notes as the owl showed them how DeFi lets people borrow, lend, and trade, just like a big, friendly playground for money. Suddenly, a golden rocket zoomed by, piloted by a cheerful robot named Kovich. "Hop in," called Kovich. "I'll show you how to buy and sell crypto safely with Kovich Bitcoin, our trusted WhatsApp P2P vending service." Koko and Dodo climbed aboard, zooming past twinkling stars and learning how easy and secure it was to trade with real people, not just machines. As they soared through the DeFi galaxy, they spotted a glowing academy floating in the sky. "That's Kovich Trading Academy," Kovich announced. "Here, you can learn all the secrets of crypto, from beginner basics to expert tricks. It's fun, friendly, and perfect for explorers like you." Koko and Dodo peeked inside and saw students laughing, drawing on whiteboards, and solving puzzles together. Next, the rocket landed at a futuristic lab filled with blinking lights and clever robots. "Welcome to Kovich AI Mastery," said Kovich. "Here, you'll discover how artificial intelligence can help you make smart choices in the crypto world. It's like having a super brain on your team." Koko and Dodo watched in awe as robots analyzed charts and spotted hidden patterns, making crypto safer and more exciting. Throughout their journey, Koko and Dodo met new friends, solved riddles, and learned how to spot sneaky scams and stay safe. They discovered that with the right knowledge, a little caution, and the help of Kovich Bitcoin, Kovich Trading Academy, and Kovich AI Mastery, anyone could explore the world of DeFi with confidence and joy. As the sun set over the digital horizon, Koko and Dodo waved goodbye to their new friends, hearts full of excitement and heads buzzing with ideas. They couldn't wait to share their adventure, and all they'd learned, with everyone back home. And so, their story became a beacon for all future explorers, lighting the way to a brighter, safer, and more magical DeFi world.